You guys here with me? Good morning, Army. I like that. Alright, 8:15 is game time. It is 8:15, it's game time. So, I do want to keep an eye on SPY today because I think we've moved up decently enough already that we might expect pullbacks again pretty soon here. So, I want to keep an eye on it. I want to keep an eye on it. Alright, but first, low cap stocks. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Peggy again. Beat number 1 and Peggy number 2. Let's see. But let me look at my scanners. So I got, I forgot to delete my watch list again. So I got GGE. I don't know if that looks good or not. We got Peggy obviously, so I want to move Peggy down. Peggy, new highs. Awesome, I like it. Beat again. Beat somewhere up here in my watch list. Beat, nice. Good move on beat. We got CSCW. This was one that was a gapper the other day, but I think this one didn't do anything, but it was one of those that I said keep watching it going sideways. I think. Yeah, I just kept going sideways and then finally made another move, but honestly it looks pretty beaten down today. So it's 243. But alright, GGE, what is GEE? Guys, if the stream is bad for some reason, you guys let me know. Okay, buenos dias, Alberto. Buenos dias, buenos dias. So hopefully nothing's bad today. Hopefully everything is good. But good morning, John. Good morning, Andres. AAJ Hassan, who was up here. Rosendo, good morning. Good morning to the army. Zach already in here. Good morning. And I think those are from last night. Rob S on YouTube. Good morning. Okay, so GGE put in a high of 155. I don't like the daily on this thing. Technically, you have room to the 200 moving average, so we'll keep an eye on that. But I am going to put it way back here. Not going to be one of my top stocks to look this morning. We'll just keep an eye on it. I do want to see previous ones, so let me go look at Peggy real quick. Peggy came back after hours, or power hour yesterday, and kept going up. This one has room. This one still has room. Today, high of 435. 435, which is right there. We do have that daily pivot down to like 409, which is what we're flagging out from right now. But after that, we have the moving average of 489 and a previous resistance at 489, 82. So on this one, I'm looking at $4 to hold, and then new high up to 480s. 480s, $5. That's kind of what I'm looking at on Peggy, which is pretty good. I'm really happy with this chart. It looks pretty good. And especially yesterday, the way that it just wasn't giving up. Let's see if it does it today. Let's see if it does it today. You might have a pretty nice uptrend on from yesterday. You do. So I would just be cautious with this. So there's a pretty big uptrend right there. on Peggy, guys. Look at the 5-minute time frame for the last pre-market yesterday. Yesterday open, market open, and then today pre-market. So right there. You guys see that big trend line? Let's see if either we bounce off of it or if we get on the backside of this trend line, then that's going to be a pretty. Posted something on Peggy Insider Selling. Oh, Peggy has good volume and low float. All right. So Peggy, keep in mind that downtrend. If you're breaking out of this downtrend and you're on the back end of it, that's going to be a pretty big red flag. But if we keep holding $4 ish and then start popping up on this one, I could see this one pop up to the 200 moving average, which is up to 480s, really close to $5. Hunt taking shots before they open. Let's go. What am I watching today? Peggy so far. Let me look at Beat. Beat put in a new high of 644. Is this the biggest high this thing has put in? This is. Wow, this one just ripped through all-time highs. But previous all-time highs was 547. I mean, Beat is at all-time highs. That is unfortunate. This is a move that we were trying to get the whole time on Beat when we were trading it during market open every single time, every single day. We were looking for something like this. But I mean, it's at all-time highs. Beats. You know, a lot of shorts might have been caught on that move right there, and so this thing might keep going. This thing might keep squeezing some people. Who else did I miss? SDT99. Good morning. I thought I saw somebody else comment. Whatever that was, it took you way too long to drink it for being so small. It's my secret. It's my secret energy, bro. It's my secret energy, guys. You guys will never know what it is. Learn to chug. It's because if I no. It's funny how I drink those things that I'm not gonna tell you guys. Nick, I'm here. Good morning, Nick. Is your name Nikki? Now that I know you're a female. Okay, so Beats looking at high of days, all-time highs. CSCW looking at break of 243 for new highs. Let me look at the daily on this one. Oh, really oversold, really beaten down stock CSCW. So this one's trying to make a little push back up. The daily on this one honestly looks like you could have room all the way back up to 445, but you got a lot of resistance here through $3. So this one's not the best looking chart either. CSCW. Now let's see if anything was moving from yesterday and continued moving. So AVDL completely sold off, man. Look at this one. So nope. SHFS, big movement, gave it all back. Yeah, your name's Nikki. Okay. FWBI. This one kind of popped up later in the day. I don't really like it. Phase, I don't really want to trade phase. ZRKN, kind of holding lows here. ZRKN, I'll put an alert right under 40 cents. If we get back up to that level, I'm looking at new highs and 50 cents on that one. Tops. Tops is not the best, but it's up here. Top still has room on the daily to the 200 moving average. It's got another $2-3 off the high, and then whatever that is from $8, $4 off the high. Could make another run for it. What's up, the Awakened One? Urban Trades, good morning, man. So you know they're going to be heavy in it. Beat has 0 shares available to short. Okay. Mahusa. This was kind of just a sympathy play yesterday because of Indo. Any views on DJ30? What is that? So far, connection looks good, right? I haven't gotten a message that I'm getting back connection or anything, so hopefully it stays like this. Husa, I don't think I'm gonna watch Husa. Indo, I don't think Indo can do well. Actually, I don't know. I mean, had a pretty nice pop yesterday, kind of holding it. So maybe we look at getting back over this 850 on Indo. BNGO also going sideways. BNGO holding the 200 moving average, going sideways. Let's put an alert up here on this one. Get ready if that one starts popping up. SHPH. Nope. BEV. I already have an alert. I'm going to take that out. Kit. How did Kit do? Look at Kit, guys. Kit's still up here. Not risky stock, but flushy stock yesterday. But it is still here. It's still here. Let me look at the daily one more time. Because I don't know why I have all these lines. So $6 was a high pre-market, and it's a whole dollar. So I'm going to leave that one there. 576, I'm going to take that one out. This kind of resistance there, and then 672. What is this from? I don't know what that's from. So I'm going to put market highs of 659. And then after that, we got some resistances up there of like 750, and then 96. So Kit still does not look bad. Be careful on that stock. Yesterday had a lot of flushes, but every time that thing flushed, it just held and then right back up. Held and right back up. I'm kind of hoping Beat doesn't break 650 before market opens. There's Ape Trades. What a fighter, Ape Trades. Way to Zay. What do you think about SPRO? Do I have it up here somewhere? SPRO. Somewhere's up here. Oh, SPRO put in a new high. I have an alert on it. Just say 2-3. If it starts popping up over that, then I'll take a look at it. We got 4 minutes till market open. Let me go back and start looking at some of these. FNGR, another stock that kind of doesn't give up. Also still holding highs. FNGR, you know, yesterday put in a big move. I did not expect this thing to go again from $5 to $9, and I didn't even take a single trade on this one. And then now we're holding closer to $8, and highs are at 10. So put alert on this one here. Above 850, and I'm actually might throw this one on my side chart. It's a bad adjustment. Okay, APDN. Ape Trades, did you recover any of your loss yesterday? I had a 400 loss too. 30 days green right now. I have be ready for a red day, but we'll try my best. Good job, Jad. Trader Dad, good morning, man. Morning, idiots. Did I miss anybody saying good morning? Blair, good morning. QB Trader, CCNC. CCNC. Okay, CCNC doesn't look bad. Put in a high of 43.9 this morning. Has room to 50, has room to 70 moving average, 200 moving average. It's not a bad play, not a bad play, QB Trader. I'm going to actually replace CSCW. I'm going to put an alert on CSCW and replace it with this one, CCNC. Good morning, John, on YouTube. Mike Blanco, good morning, man. We got 2 minutes to market open. Let me see if I can find another one that looks decent. ARDX, no. CUK, no. CNXA, no. IMBX, no. Pretty pricey. PCG, no. IBCT, no. Labu, no. I don't like that one. BTB, this one flushed that one day. Blue, Sober was one that was popping up, trying to yesterday. Silver, maybe putting alert on this one. If we break a downtrend, we have a pretty nice downtrend for the last couple of days, including yesterday's spike. So this one might have a little pop. Let's see if we get over $3 and anticipate that downtrend again. SNTI. SNTI also still holding right there, right under highs. 549 is highs. Let's see if we get right under 5 and then 50 cents within high. If any of these stocks here stop holding. Lang! There you go, Lang. There you go, Lang. Mid candle breakout forming on ARC. I'm about to get to ARC. Let me get to it real quick. SOXL, that's a ATF. This one, no. ARC. ARC went up right to the 200 moving average and could not get higher. But middle candle breakout. I got my high up there. Alert on this one. If we get over $5 on ARC. What's the app TD Ameritrade? What's up? Good morning, man. Day trade so fast. Index. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Alright, top watch for the open. Peggy, again, Peggy. Market's about to open here in 15 seconds, guys. Let's do this. Good morning, Rob Bellany on YouTube. Alright, market's open now. Peggy, let's watch Peggy, see if we get a spike down. Also watching Beat to see if we get a quick pop over 650. Beat or Peggy, one of these things. Well, there goes Beat. Remember, guys, Beat is at max high, so this one could give us a nice little run still. Hey, that stock that QB Trader is popping up, CCNC. Wow, Beat flushed. CCNC popping up, looking for highs. I do want to keep an eye on SPY because I think SPY could start going down. Okay, let me look at Peggy. Wow, Peggy instant pop, looking for 435 high. That was a little bit of a rejection there, so I'm going to be patient and let that play out. I'm actually going to do something with SPY though. So far, CNCN is the one that's looking for highs. This is the one that QB Trader called out. So let's see if we get a new high on this one. Both Beat and Peggy kind of quick rejections at the highs. Both of them pretty big rejections too. CNCN. Volume is looking good still here for highs. It looks like it. Yep, already breaking highs. Dang it. Good call, QB Trader. ARC, nice pop. Also, okay. Let me look at ARC. Pretty nice pop in ARC. ARC, we're looking for $5 and then $5.98 to get up there. W key. Actually, I think somebody mentioned something with W key. 2-3 high on W key. W key looking for highs. W key right under high of day. 200 moving average is really close on this one too. Up at 253. This candle might close here, and let's see if we get some, not a stuff, but a low volume pullback on W key. I'm going to put W key over here too on watch now. So let's see if we get a pullback here on W key. Maybe 2-1-ish. True, I don't know if that's a pullback there. Man, I don't know how I feel about that one. If I don't feel 100% confident, I'm not going to take it. But Beat is coming right back up. Beat looking for a new high. Beat, nice pop there. Can we get up to $7 on Beat? Let's see if we initiate kind of a nice little squeeze here on Beat. Last time we got stuffed, so let's see if we get a nice little pullback here on Beat. Took an out there on Beat. Let's see if we get a new high. Ah, took a pretty big chunk took a pretty big ad on beats. Look, holding 644 still. Already up $400 on the day. Took a pretty big chunk on beats there. Also, Peggy turned back around. If Peggy just gives us a slight chance at a new high of day, lower volume here on beats. Let's see if we catch another small little pullback. I added pretty heavy there on beats. I was in 5,000 shares at 640 something, looking for that extension. Real nice squeeze through $7, but did not happen. Got a small pop, took half off, and I was gonna leave 2,500 shares for the big run, but did not happen. Now I'm a little iffy to chase this here. I'd see if we get a nice pop here with big volume and then flag right under 7 or over 7. So, but I think at one point I saw to my left almost $700 on that trade. Closed it at 400. Peggy making the move back up. Man, Peggy's another grinder. Peggy looks like Ape trades an undress. Peggy over here looking like Ape trades an undress. Can we get a new high on Peggy? Does volume look good on Peggy? Besides the 1 minute candle, doesn't look bad. The first 1 minute candle, sorry. Ape Chase's dress? Oh my gosh, this thing is ripped. Peggy looking for 450 break. What is the 200 moving average on this one? 482, that's right. Okay, let's see. This candle has 40 seconds left. I'm not touching this candle yet. I'm not touching this. You guys know that. You guys are learning off of me. Don't touch it, you know? You got 50 seconds, 40 seconds left on the candle. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Look at that. That's how you avoid flushes right there. W key. How's W key looking like? Is this going to set up a 5-minute flag for us? W key. We got pivots here at 2-1 on W key still. Volume is dying on this one. Would not be opposed to taking an add on W key down here. If I get a small little pullback here to 2-1 to VWAP on W key, I might take some ads. And we're looking for this downturn break on W key. Or if we get a nice little pop on this one right away. So I do want to add this. Hold on, guys. I'm keeping W key on watch. So what are we watching? W key still? Bro, took a $100 loss on beat. How, man? How? How, Ape Trades? Oh, wow. PRVB. SNTI. Somebody mentioned SNTI. Now SNTI is popping up on my scanner. I mean, not on my scanner. It's popping up an alert. But PRVB, this thing looks nice. I'm taking Kit off my watch list, and I'm putting this one, PRVB. I need to see what this one's looking for though on the daily, but I want to look at SNTI real quick. So SNTI, high on SNTI is 549. We do have a downtrend right here on the 5-minute time frame, which actually we're about to cross on SNTI. There goes oh, I don't have it drawn very accurately. Right here, SNTI downtrend right there. Oh, we already retested it. We already broke out of it and retested it. Right there. Dang it. W key still looks decent over here for me. How are my TikTok people doing today? So PRVV, let me look at PRVV. Somebody, Robin He calling out Mats. Oh, Mott's somewhere up here, my stupid watch list. Also, Mott's looking good. Hey, Juan, how are you? I'm doing good right now. Hold on. This is zone hour right now, so Mott's looking. No, this is not Mott. This is Mott's looking for 250 on Mott's. Oh, it already spiked to 250. PRVV looking for 650. Trying some W key. That's the one that I wanted down there. Yeah, view up down there. A lot of volume there. I don't know if that's volume coming in from buyers or there was another. I guess this one is the one that I was looking at too. Yeah, W key, man. I knew this thing could pop. Good ad there, Zach. So right here, guys, mentioned 2-1, looking for this breakout downtrend and extension to high a day. PRVB has not breaking 650 up here. If we flag this thing, this is the one I need to look at the daily though. If we flag with PRVB with low volume, that might be a good trade up there. See this thing already pulling back, pretty low volume here. Let's see if we get anticipated 650 breakout on this one. We got 12 seconds left on this candle here. Let's see if we get another pullback on this one. Looking at PRVB, see if we flag here. William Hintz, welcome to the channel, man. Looking to add here on PRVB if we get a low volume pullback again. I might jump in. Give me another little pullback. Give me another little pullback. Another bottom end of 619. A lot of buyers on this one. Looking for 650, but I want to get a lower entry on this one. I don't know if I'm liking this price action here. Pretty frozen, but that's not bad for being a little bit of a pullback here. A lot of sellers stepping in there towards the end of this candle. Is this the pullback we're looking for? Is this the pullback we were looking for here? Did we get the pop up to 650? Oh, getting a little stuffed. Maybe getting a little sick there, getting a little bit of sinuses actions right there, getting stuffed a little bit. You got to blow your nose right there. Not breaking walls. Not breaking walls. Got a little stuff there at 635. So winning trade here. Got to stop at break even. Only 500 shares. But was not breaking walls like I wanted to right there through 635. Oh, there's a lot of volume. 635, 11 orders there. It has to break it right here, and if this breaks, goes right up to 644, 650s. There it goes. Here it goes. Here we go. Fly time, baby. Fly. Break a new high of day. And that's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. New high day. New high day. 650. Give me 650. I want to be patient here. I don't have that many shares, so I got to make them count. Looks like we're getting over our sickness here. Looks like we took some medicine. Had 8 hours of sleep. We had some canela, bro. We had some canela to help with it. Oh, come on, man. Just squeeze for me. I'm just going to put a stop under that candle and just let it go. It's getting a little stuffy again. Yep, out of that. $70 there. Okay. Good morning, Trendline Treb. Made good money on beating pre-market. Good job, William Hinch. You're at the right place. Awesome, Rob. Appreciate you saying that. Appreciate you saying that. Anybody here for the first time, let me know how you guys are doing. If you guys have any questions here. Even different insights and a pair of eyes like Quan here can help. G. Thank you guys for answering some questions for me there on TikTok. Appreciate it. I appreciate it, guys. So far, PRB afloat. I do not know. Oh, Rosendo, thank you. Juan, I have a small space heater for my hands. You mean like this? Right here, a little detachable thing to put for my hands. Get into the cold season. Get into the cold season. You're about to see me in my ponchos again, right? Right, Ape Chates? So W Keys is still holding this 2-1. Oh, MLTS back up. Oh, frick, MLTS. Oh, there it is. So W key, Zach, are you still in on W key? W key, kind of a new downtrend, so always kind of readjust your downtrends. So here it just gets bigger, it gets bigger, right? But once you find the one that actually breaks out and holds it, then be looking for new highs. I don't trade currencies. This is stocks. Don't like how on PRB the 5-minute candle is bigger than the previous green. PRBV. Oh, look at that flush there. That would have been nice. AERC. Have AERC. I'm gonna drag you down here. AERC. Good morning, Rome C. I saw Mott's, but Mott's is kind of getting stuffed up there. I think it's 250 Mott's is getting stuffed at. Yeah, so, I mean, and the daily is not as pretty on Mott's. You see that big rejection recently, so it's not like we've been grinding sideways, and then out of nowhere you get that pop. Oh, there goes W key a little bit, I think. AMV yet? No, I have not seen AMV. AMV straight up flying. How do I select stocks to watch pre-market? So I pay for a scanner, which you guys can't see it, but I have a momentum scanner as well to show you guys on my streams. But I pay for a scanner and I scan the stocks that are gapping up, so basically that are already up pre-market and are looking, and I'm looking to just continue that momentum into market open. So it's just called gappers, stocks with volume starts, stocks that are already up a certain percentage. PRVB still doesn't look bad. I don't know if this thing has news or what, but Juan, I had jujitsu class yesterday on my red day and I got my ass wiped all afternoon. That's right, I forgot. Was that your first time? Check beat pullback. Oh, it's not bad. Beat is not bad, but you know, nah, second time, okay. Could get wild. I do see that Rome C. I'm really not liking a lot of things besides PRVV, and I don't know how I feel about it that much. Unless beat really pops up back up and holds this 644 level on beat. If beat starts holding 644, okay. So PRVV does have news. Okay, let me see. Check AERC again. Oh, sorry guys, you got some wild chats over there on YouTube. Mott's maybe still. It's flagging, but this one I don't know what I like about it. I like beats right now and I like PRVB. W key was looking pretty good and it's still holding lows. I mean, you could get away if you're sniping some of these trades down here on W key, but I think we needed to get out of this triangle. And just like that, I mean, you know, it's like the first 15 minutes you get some plays and that's it. Goodbye, beat. This is the one that flushed pretty nasty that one day, because remember we said beat got beat? Maybe it was that day right there. that day. You know, it was looking strong on the day, and then just out of nowhere, boom, boom, an instant flush. So CCNC, I forgot about CCNC. Oh wait, no, I have it on my side chart. I just look at the charts, and then if I like it, I look at the ticker. But I was watching it on my side chart. Peggy, any movement you think? No, Peggy is straight up down trending right now, selling off. Could not break 450. At PRVV is the only one you know that I think has some room in it. This one has break of downtrend here, so haven't broken it out of it yet. Volume is increasing on this one. We're looking for 650. So if we break out of this downtrend here, we could be looking for that. Volume is increasing. This is the one down here. Any ads would have been good, but could be looking for a new high of day and then potentially 650 on this one. So PRBB looking for, there's a new high of day. Have not breaking 650 yet. So I'm gonna 15 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we get a retest of that downtrend and pull away to 650. Breakout after 650. Let's see. Candles here gonna close right at that downtrend, so a little iffy. If I get a retest, I will jump in. Holding that downtrend right there. Low volume here too. This is looking decent-ish. I see a lot of red on the tape, but it's not breaking down. I could lose my 60 bucks here. Holding it still, holding it still. 20 seconds left on this candle here. Low volume pullback still on this 1 minute candle, so I might add a little bit back here. And then I want to see that squeeze up to 650. This one, when it hits a wall, it just cannot break it. See, right, watch here. It's stuck right there. It can't take orders out. I'm gonna stop out. So I'm giving back $50 there. It still looks good, but let me see if I get a lower ad on it. I mean, it's holding downtrend. Low volume, such low volume here. ENTB, I don't know what that is. Oh, come on. Now it's going to pop up. Looking for 650 on this one still. Just looking for this pullback here to hold and see if we get a 650. But I gave back $50, $60 there. So one red trade. I don't know. Oh, there we go, Ape Chase. Ape Chase back to break even. Nice. I like it. SNTI going still? How do I forget about SNTI? Guys, we're so dumb. Why do we leave SNTI alone? SNTI high is 549. SNTI is high 49 is high. Looking for 550 break on this one. Looking for 550 break on this one. This will be a new high on this one. Candle's gonna close here. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Big wall there at 5. There's a break. Sold a little bit. Looking for the bigger squeeze. Looking for 550. I said it. Up $150, $170 on this play now. 300 shares left. I want this big pull away now. I take one red trade, $50 loss, come right back in and make 150. Now my only problem is I didn't have a clear entry, so I had to jump small share size. You know it. There's a little bit of another pull. Sell a little bit there. 200 shares left. As soon as somebody said SNTI, I said 550. You know, look what your high is. Look, man, in a halt. Momentum is back. I'm stuck in a halt, guys. 100 shares going long. Cost basis 544 right here. Looking for a $6 break out of resumption. Crypto wire 400 shares into this halt. I'm stuck 100 shares into this halt. Up $200 right now, and I think this thing easily breaks $6 after this resumption. I think this thing. Hold on, I got crypto wire. I gotta put this thing back. It's getting cold. I gotta heat it up a little bit more. I wish we would have. I wish I would have thrown SNTI on my side chart. I mean, look at these red candles here. Kit, an alert for Kit. Over $6 on Kit. No, Kit, you can't be doing this to us, bro. Kit, break it down trend here. Oh wow, look at the volume on Kit yesterday compared to today. Not even close. Whoa, how much volume did Kit have yesterday? 47 million. It's not even at a million yet today. Suspicious. Man, this SNTI flag right over 5 after break a downtrend was money, and we were so late to it. I don't know what. Sometimes I'm off my game, man. Sometimes I'm off my game. Okay, TikTok. I haven't answered a couple of you guys' questions. What you guys got? What you guys got? Rogue pull in the future would be wild there. Which one? Congrats, bro. Appreciate it, man. Were you gone yesterday? No, I was here yesterday. VIP and Discord. My Discord's free, man. Yo, what's up, my man? I'm out FNGR now, thank God. My Discord's completely free, guys. Were you? No, I wasn't gone yesterday, but for some reason I was having. I wasn't gone yesterday. I was here, but I was having issues for some reason. Like the first time ever in months, you know. And since I started streaming, my stream was lagging. And so I had to restart everything, and at that point I prioritized my YouTube and my Tradecaster people, so I wanted them to be satisfied. And so when I got back on, I didn't even start back up my TikTok stream, and I was in the middle of trading, so I didn't have time. TikTok stream takes a little bit longer to start. I gotta put what topic it is, and then copy a link, copy a stream key, set up the different OBS because I have to use two, change the aspect ratio, and then all that stuff because you know it's a vertical screen. So it's a bunch of differences on TikTok. So I was in the middle of trading. I just didn't get back. So I'm sorry, guys. But hey, even my TikTok viewers are growing. You guys are coming back here, and I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. You guys let me know if you guys have any questions. I got 30 viewers over there. So SNTI halted at 8:55:20, and it's 8:58, almost 8:59. So we got about a minute left. I think this thing easily breaks through $6. I think this thing easily breaks through $6. Which, you know, I'm at 587 with 100 shares to $6. That's an extra 10 cents on 100 shares. An extra what, 10, 20 bucks if I get that. So. But, you know, the trade was there. I think somebody's asking me why I wanted to take that trade. High of day, half dollar breakout, you know, and this is a squeeze. This is a nice volume. This is low volume, and then look at this volume ramping up to here. Increase in volume completely. Looking at a pretty big target from yesterday. Look at your daily. That's your high on the daily. So, you know, I'm just chasing that momentum. I've never even known what the analyze tab is, crypto. AAJ showing flat resumption. Wait, 55.20. So we got about 40 seconds here. Man, PRVV cannot break a new high. I think he keeps getting stuffed there. So I'm gonna take this off here. Got 100 shares. I might sell in half, so I'm gonna put 50 there. You know, 100 shares is not a lot, but I'm looking for at least a $6 breakout. To me, A79 or 10 if we get lucky. Or 10? What do you mean 10? 9 seconds left here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off. 6. Look at that. 598. Looking for $6 break. Looking for $6 break. There it is. I guess I'm looking for 638 break. What in the heck? I'm fully out, man. Dang, guys. Eduardo, I use a trade scanner every morning, and I look for gappers, stocks with volume gapping up. Big fan. You average is 160 for Apple, 230 shares. Where's Apple at right now? 146. You're a little bit in the red. That's okay. Well, I mean, we might still be pulling back overall market, but Apple's a good company, so you'll be good, I think, long run. Unless it was a day trade. If it was meant to be for a day trade and now you're back holding it, ugh. Nice, top G. Okay, nice trade on Snti. I missed it myself. I chased it small share size. Look at this. Only 1,000 shares? Oh, I added by 500s. I didn't add 1,500. Well, look at that trade right there. Look at that trade. I don't think I'm that interested on Snti anymore. So, but let me see. I mean, what are we at? 30 minutes into open, and I think I'm probably close to my usual $600, $700 profit. Like, it's literally just every day. Just expect me to make $600, $700. That's it. Like, if you ever miss my recaps, if you ever miss my live trading, just assume I made $650. 630. Man, 600 today, 700 yesterday, 650 Tuesday, 699 Monday, 500 Friday, 1,000 Thursday, lost 400 Wednesday. Oh. Yo, hundreds, I'm late today. What have I missed? A lot, man. You're missing a lot today. We could technically put in another flag on Snti, so let me look. Snti, I mean, still a pretty nice breakout. Previous high of day was that 550, so I mean, if you get a flag down to 550, maybe, but that top candle there got a little stuffed. Even on the 5 minutes, it looks a little stuffed. It looks like Blair called out he is on PRVB. If you got this entry down here, Blair, that's awesome. This is one thing that I do want to mention to all of you guys, Ape Trades, especially I think you or whoever got caught up in Kit yesterday. Oh wait, oh actually Kit's still looking good. Wow, Kit's still looking good. Wait, you're back down today, Ape Trades? I was gonna say, when you're looking for these pullbacks, guys, always look what's left, and I'm not saying left as in like what's your target, but look left and see what the stock's been doing. So yesterday on Kit, I think a lot of you guys here and everywhere else got shoot, I don't remember. I think it was this one right here that a lot of people lost money on. You know, look left. First, you're at a pivot. You hit the pivot. This is a good candle. But this is huge volume here. But look left. Oh, W key back up. And look left. You know, did you break that pivot? Not really, right? You'd rather get above it, close it, take control of this sellers here, and then wait for that pullback here. I think a lot of people chase this one here, breaking that pivot on the way up, or taking the dip afterwards. And I always say take the dip afterwards if you've already reclaimed it, because that's a little pullback, not sellers coming in. To me, this is a seller's candle, and this is a seller's candle. And so, for example, on oh, hold on, look at this thing. 638 is a very strong point on this one. Oh, it's like PRVV. PRVV, you know, we tried breaking 650 here once, twice, and then kind of tried another attempt. That's a little over high. Yeah, that's a good trade, Blair. That's a good trade. But if you're looking for that big one to give you a good return, you want that stock to put in a high and then flag first. Not put in a high, stuff the second time, and put in a lower high, and then take the leftovers, right? That's like you're taking the leftovers of a crappy trade. Not necessarily the crappy trade, but you get what I'm saying, right, guys? I think, if that makes sense at all. Kit, scared of a little flush on this one, but 638 is a nice pivot on Kit. Same play as SNTI. Exact same play as SNTI. But I want to see either a flag right under 638 or a flag right over 638 for me to take this one. Come on, man. You can't do that to me. Holding pretty strong still. Not the end of the move yet. Possibly. Another little bit of squeeze there. Oh my gosh. I've been so close to 100 viewers all day on YouTube. I'm sitting at like 96, 97. Guys, hit the likes up. There's 97 people of you guys. Only 17 likes. Hit the likes up. Comment. Gosh, damn, dude. And you guys, good job, Ape Chase. Good job, man. Way to grind, Ape Chase. Way to grind. Andy Jabib, I'm not going to take my time to explain them right now, but I post daily recaps on YouTube, and I explain every single trade that I take, how much I made, how much I lost, and why I took those trades. So go check out my link in bio for my YouTube. You're killing it, bro. Hope I can learn something from your videos. Man, you will. You will. You definitely will. How did you have to trade today? How did you have to trade today? What's up, Juan, everyone? Hey, Kevin. Welcome back, man. Kit, announce price target $10 news. Man, this right here was money. And you know, you guys, Ape Trades, SNTI still? SNTI, another high of day. What's up with me? I didn't put SNTI again on my side charts. What am I doing? SNTI getting a little stuffed. Volume wasn't the biggest on this push back up. But let's see if we get one or two candles holding $6. Played the flag at 573. Why don't you tell us? Screw you, Ape Trades. Screw you, for real. If this breaks out, we're looking for 650. 650 right there. $650 break, $650 break, looking for $650 break. It's so close. Seeing if SNTI has one more leg for through 650. A little bit stuffy here. Candles here gonna close, holding that 639 pivot. I'm looking to see if, oh frick. I gotta stop out here. Dang it, gave back a good chunk there. But I'm still looking for this 650 break. So let's see if we get a pullback. I can average in lower and see if we anticipate a 650 break again. Then gave a pretty good chunk back there. And I was in small share size, but caught a pretty nasty little flush. You were in the zone trying to get your money back. I'm in the zone right now. I want to catch a pullback here again on Snti for a new high of 650. Or even a retest of $6 would still be good on this one. Man, I did such a bad job at not putting this one on my side chart again. Yeah, KITT is halted. Looking at SNTI, see if we flag here and get another attempt at 650 and break through 650. This is pretty extended, but just looking for one more flag here. Volume is dying on SNTI on this flag. That could be a good thing. You know, sniper trades would probably have an order at 651. A little bit of pop there, but 639 is a nice pivot. I want to see if it's so close to it, but see if we get close to 639, hold 639, and get that squeeze through 650. Oh, wow. Kit completely flush a little bit, but Kit might break a new high. $50 on Kit real quick. Looking at SNTI. SNTI big pullback. So I gave back I think a little $200, and then I made back made back 50. So I'm still in the green decently, but bad trade on SNTI there. Bro, please lear this lesson. Best time to trade the market is in the mornings. Thinkorswim, yes. Broker TD Ameritrade. If the market closing red, I think everything is red so far, so I would not be surprised, yes. SNTI, you could be looking at a $6 pivot, but kind of trying to get stuffed over there. And then I took a quick trade on Kit. Just high of days, break of 7. I got the break, but that was a 500 share trade, so barely made 50 bucks there. Robin, he calling out Kit. Great stream, Han. Appreciate it, Maurice. How much did you have to trade today? What do you mean, how much did I have to trade today? I did buy some SPY puts this morning, so I'm sure I'm up on those. But I bought them, again, pretty far out. They're up $100. Gosh. SNTI, we could still be flagging here with $6 to support and then looking for that 650 break. So if you could snag some shares under 6, that might be good on SNTI. PRBV, you know, you see Blair, you get the bounce because there's support there, right? but you could tell shorts are up here. It's making lower highs now. Another lower high. How did you find the stocks to trade? Oh, I'm over 100 viewers on YouTube. Yes, first time ever. Congrats, guys. Appreciate everybody there on YouTube. Appreciate everybody, man. Gappers. So I go over them in the morning anyway. So if you want to go over the stocks that I look for in the morning, 15 minutes before market opens, I am here looking at them with you. Yeah, thank you everybody on YouTube hitting the likes. 106 viewers. Nice, nice. Awesome. Thank you everybody on YouTube for consistently coming in here every morning. Hopefully you guys are learning or enjoying my trading every morning. It's for you to keep coming back, so I really appreciate it. So I was up 230 on this one, so I gave back 200, so that would put me down from 630 to 430, but I made back 50, so I'm sitting at like close to $500 profit today, which is still a decent day. Did you buy bots for 100 viewers? No, I bought for 50 viewers. Just kind of get a head start and then 50 real people. Snti volume is pretty dead here. I really want to see if this thing puts in one more leg. That, and I want to get my $200 back that I gave away. I was in pretty small share size, but I did catch this nasty flush there, and I was in pretty high. I just thought I could get the break of 650 with this momentum going on. But that's what I tell you guys all the time. If you're buying lower, if you're buying safer plays, play it aggressive. If you're buying risky plays, play it less aggressive, right? So I jumped in with 1,000 here when any other trade I've been taking with 2,500, 5,000 shares, maybe even more. My name is Robot and Juan is good. Hoodie who? Mersa, what do you, every time Mersa. Okay, SNTI, $6 pivot down here. I do like SNTI down here. Gosh, I almost took that trade. Those are the ones I need to just add and not be scared. Still have a downtrend break, so if we get out of this downtrend break, maybe chase it up for that 650 break again. I think Mersa called out beat downtrend. I am an alien. We are here to take Juan back. How much were the plays SNTI? Dominic, I took 1,000 shares here and 1,000 shares, or 1,500 and 1,000. I don't know what it was. So looking at whatever that is, 1,000 times 5,000. SNTI 5-minute chart still looks pretty decent. You had that stuff, but you still took a new high after that. If we do break out of downtrend here, I do want to see volume increase. I don't want to see us break a downtrend with low volume. Okay. Kind of like this-ish. Pivot there at 621 or 620. C-beat hill reference. If you're an alien, are you from Zeta Reticuli? What are you saying, Kevin? Kevin, how have you been, man? Any fishing recently? Anybody done any fishing recently? A cash account would be okay on TD Ameritrade. Want to avoid PDT. Yes, cash account is the way to go, man. Colibri. Colibri. Mersa did call out that beat downtrend, so let's see if that one still plays out and gives us another push back up. Beat is at all-time. No, this is not. Beat is not all-time highs. Beat is all-time highs. Is it? No, it's not beat. It's Peggy that's all-time highs, right? No, it's not Peggy. Beat. It has to be beat. Yeah, beat is at all-time highs. What stock did I have there? Oh, SNTI pulling down under 6. It's a little too aggressive after a rejection of that stuff, but still low volume pullback here on SNTI. I don't want to catch a flush, but I want to see if this thing holds up. Oh, well, I caught a flush. Let's see if buyers step up on SNTI and see if we reclaim this $6. Oh, okay, I'll take that pop. Come on, keep popping up like that. Give us another little push up. There you go, there you go. Give us another pop up. Give me another pop up. There you go, just like that. Just like that, you piece of... 1,000 shares left here. Give me my money back. SNTI, give me my money back. Another wall here to break. Oh, 174 on the ask. Ooh, I'm descaling. Descaling a little bit there. Ooh, that's some big ask. Ooh, but we break right through it. That's a nice squeeze, taking 174 orders out. You know what? I'm going to hold this. Give me my money back, you turd piece of lying sack of SNTI. Stop under this candle, and I am not willing to sell until 650. Until 650, okay? Not selling until 650. Not selling until 650. Not selling until I hit 650 on the stock. I'm currently sitting at 630. Okay? Not selling yet until 650. Oh my god, I want to sell. Oh my god, I want to sell. 639 pivot's going to be huge. 650! Give it to me! I should sell some. I'm sorry, I'm breaking my rules. 400 shares left for the break of 650. If it breaks 650, 660, 670, 680, 690. Flying, baby. Oh, come on. You're right there. There's no way you don't break this. No, 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 no. 639 pivot. You are a... Okay. I descaled 20... no. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 20, 2, 4, 40% of my position. But I'm holding 60% of it, looking for the break of 650. If this closes under 639, that's not going to look good, though. Hoping buyers step in here last minute. Oh, closed right over 639. Does that count? Looking for 650. This thing is going to break 650 no matter what. I know it. I know it. $650. $660. Oh, big old stuff. I sold 100 though, so I still have 200. I want to see 200. I'm going to put a pivot there, 637. Stop at 637. No, it flushed before I could put my... Okay. It flushed before I could put my stop, but 100 shares left. 627 stop. Oh, the beauty of day trading, guys. Oh, the beauty... Official Creative Tech Review. What the heck, man? You don't have to spam the chat, bro. Please don't spam the chat, though. Okay. A new high? Another high. Another high. We're going up to $7. Man, I don't know how you guys are so patient. Dude, I had 1,500 shares at $6. How are you guys so patient? Ape Trades, please be agreed. $299 for Ape Trades! New high incoming. 6. Bro, please, can you not stop the chat? Can you not, on YouTube, can you please not, what am I saying? Spam the chat, please? But hello, and I'm doing good. Yeah, if you do it one more time, man, I will definitely block you. So, can you have moderators on YouTube? Does YouTube have moderators? Okay, you're done, bro. I'm in the middle of a trade. This is low volume pullback still on SNTI. This is still a low volume pullback on SNTI. Look at these two candles right here. And 650 retest. This could still have another leg, I think. I think this is possible that it has another leg. Candle's about to close here. Let's see if this new candle here takes us to a new high. So I added 500 shares and I took them out at a slight profit. If we spike down to 650, it might be another ad place. Oh, I should have been a little bit more patient. Mods? Somebody calling out mods on TikTok? What did mods do? SNTI is top watch right now. If this gets another leg in, this is gonna go $7. Oh, I should have added down there. Sober hitting alerts too now. Sober also, I think, close to highs. Oh, 80 cents off the highs. I think SNTI could have another leg. Oh my gosh. I re-added down there again for the new high. Right here. Bust through new high. I've been saying that. I think this thing has another leg. And look at this. 6-8 breaks. We're flying to $7. 6-8. 681 entry possibly too. If you're like the sniper threat game goblin. Don't stop me out down here though, you SNTI. Come on, new high. 680 breaks, new high. We're flying to $7. Shorts are trying to still back this down. If they can't back this 680 down, this is flying one more time. Look at this green volume here, and then look at this red volume here on the move down. If this holds another 30 seconds, or this thing starts. I can't see for being stupid. Oh, that's what I get for being an idiot. I was looking at how close my stop didn't hit. Ugh. Bro, I went from being up 200 on this stock to being down 27, or being up 27, to being back up 447 on this stock. That was so close. I was trying to zoom in on my stop. It literally like didn't hit it by like the tiny bit. Oh my gosh. Man, this is fun. When you get momentum like this, I'm probably up back over $800, I think. Maybe really close to 800. Let's go, baby. My P&L's profit right now, guys. P&L's profit. I mean, my P&L is secret right now. My P&L's secret right now, guys. Okay, I have missed so many comments, guys. Hold on, give me a second. I guess this is what happens when you start getting a little bit more viewers. You know, guys, I am so grateful for every single one of you guys. I really appreciate it. I say this every day, but I cannot get tired of how much I love this team. I love you. I love you guys. Okay, Rome C, yes it does. Moderators on YouTube have famous Blue Wrench Roth. I'll moderate if you need it. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely have to add some moderators. So Rob S, um, Kevin B. Shiley, trade and workout, release stress. Go to YouTube Studio, then go on the left side, click Settings Community. There you will find the moderators. How much money roughly do you trade in 5 days, and what is the profit? Depends every single day, Dominic. How much are you in your trading account? Don't trade yet. Getting into it, still learning. 1 second practice or do live. I'm in the 300, 150K account. Try top step. One can practice or do live. I'm in the 300. Okay. I'm in the UK though. You broke you 700 limit or not yet? Yeah, I am over 700. J Hard, good stuff. Like half a cent to your stop. I saw that. I was trying to zoom in on it because it was funny. Friend in UK uses C markets. Dominant. Okay, okay. And how do you use it? Okay, you guys are talking to each other. That's right. Oh, I thought my TikTok got banned, but some comments were filtered. Okay, I got it. How do I start trading? YouTube, or I have a course for you guys. You guys see me trade live every single day and making money for you guys. So if you guys want to take my course, it teaches you everything that you guys need to learn how to day trade. Use 150 off at checkout, and you can get that course. Obviously, I stream free, and you guys can see every trade that I take, so that I improve myself that I'm not a scammer and I am legit. Man, this ad right here was money on SNTI, but I didn't stick it all the way out. I added 1,500 shares down there. If I'm just a little bit more patient on some of these plays, I think I took 500 shares all the way to the, or 650 was my target, but I added 1,500 shares at 6 and I almost hit $7. Just that trade itself with small share size of 1,500 could have been a $1,500 win, almost $1 a share. I wasn't patient on that one. Blair, good guys, like it. I'm under 1,000. I'll show you guys. I was being funny. I'm at exactly $902 with 28 cents. I'm sitting almost at like a $3,000 week so far. That's insane. Mott's is breaking high. Somebody kept calling out Mott's. Mott's is not breaking high. Big fan. It's getting there, but it's not, and I don't like the volume on this one so much. SNTI was definitely a nice mover. I gave all of it back. This play right here, I completely missed. I made a big error today of not throwing this one on my side chart from the beginning or putting alerts on it at all. I missed this trade here. Ape trades hat down. Ape trades again. You're probably thinking, hey, I should have held some of those shares there. Then I added this dip like money. This could still look for $7. No, no, no. The courses I have it priced at 450 with the discount brings it down to $300. Which honestly, guys, it's worth the money because I spent a lot of time in it, and it's like it has everything you need. Plus, you get full mentorship. So any questions you guys have, let's see if we break $7 on SNTI. I don't like the volume here a little bit, but I just want to see if we break $7. New high coming here, maybe break 7. Candle has 20 seconds left to close. Careful, careful. But volume is increasing now, so this could set up for a break of $7 here. Could take 681 pivot. $30 left on this candle. I want to see if I get one more leg up. No, no, no. Okay, I have to stop out. No! Back down to $700 profit on the day. Oh, trading is so emotional, you know. I wanted $100. Dang it. $712 so far. It's still a great day. Still a great day. You know, it's just a mental block. I had to get myself down to $600, $700. Control your emotions. I'm good, man. Austin Lewis, what's up, man? Yeah, just checked it. It's only futures. I think you need to go through different stages before you go find it. Just other sites like this one. Ape Trades, good job on calling it for the day, ending a break-even day after you big P&L swing. Yeah, and I've done the same thing, man. I've flipped a lot of shares. You know, this stock right here, I went up 200, back down to 20, went up to almost 500, now back down to 250. You know, so it's big P&L swings here. So a little tricky day, but getting it done, getting it done. For the guy that was asking for my course, so it's $450 with the discount is $300. And honestly, if you go find other creators out there, other day traders out there, their courses are going to be probably more expensive than mine. I haven't seen one that's cheaper than mine. Maybe one out there, but most of them are going to be more expensive. And none of those guys that I know trade completely free. So I don't know if they actually make money in the market themselves. You know, I don't know. I've seen them brag profits, but it's not hard to brag profits, um, or fake profits. You know, I do this completely free for you guys, so you guys see that I do it. ATXG. Some of you guys keep calling that one, and I haven't had a chance to look at it. Snti 650 could have been a nice ad. That's the ad I should have had instead of this one up here. Mods, to me, mods has pretty low volume, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Take the course, learn, then practice, practice, practice. Yeah. And honestly, I mean, I didn't take a course when I started trading. I learned it all on my own. And I guarantee you guys, if you get a course, Zach trying to flag. If you get a course, especially from somebody that you watch trade live and all that stuff, you're gonna cut so many corners and so many information that you don't need from other people. Like, so many people make content on YouTube and stuff, but that's just for videos. That's just for ad revenue, not necessarily, hey, this is a legit video on YouTube. You know, that's gonna show you everything. What did it do, baby? How's it going, Big Steve? What's up, Big Steve? Can I show my entries? I took a lot of trades today, so I mean, I could show them like that if you want. You can take a screenshot. But for those of you guys that are new here, Lang, awesome, man. Props to you, Lang, for being here. Props to you, Lang. But for those of you guys that are new on my YouTube right now, watching live, I do recaps every day, and I break down most of my trades, exactly what I was looking for, what I wasn't looking for, stops and all that stuff. So keep an eye for my YouTube videos out. Recap, I'll make one later on today. So Ruben, you can check that out. I can show you my trades like this, but I'm not gonna take the time right now to explain them. The flag that we really missed was a kit. This one opened up so well. Right here. Boom. Flags. Right there, flags. And I mean that one right there, from $6 to 7 again, another dollar share flag. That was a good one. Especially holding $6. You could have taken some ads here at $6. Would have been a nice one. ATXG, a little iffy. SNTI, you have a small downtrend up here from these highs, but I mean it's literally right under $7. So if you break that downtrend, you might not even get a pullback and go straight through 7. I'm debating calling it. You know, I've been trying to get one of these days where I'm up $600, $700 and see if I can just scale it up, you know, instantly go 900, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, you know, get back to my old days. And just now I tried it there. I give a little bit more than I wish I would have wanted to. I think I was down 100 on that trade and I stopped out and it was more like $200 on that trade. So back down to 700. Rob S, let me know if you want to moderate for you. Yes, I will definitely add you, Rob S. Does anybody else on YouTube interested in moderating? I mean, I recognize some of you guys, but I'm not, that you guys are here every single day, but I'm not going to make you a moderator if you don't want. But is anybody interested on moderating? Let me know. Or shoot me a DM. You don't have to tell me in public. So, can I share my Thinkorswim setup, Chandler? I have a video on YouTube that shows it all, like exactly what I have. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see it there as well. How much leverage do you use? I don't use any leverage. How much did I make? I'm up $700 today. What am I trading? Stocks. What is YM? It's D01. I don't trade currencies, no. Cigar S, good course. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for hopping in on TikTok and saying that. Appreciate it. And Cigar S, still, any questions, man? I'm here. Crypto man, why ask money? What do you mean? Chandler, so you can find that YM is US 30. Oh. 650 on SNTI. You do have a little bit of the ADMA tab down there on SNTI. And you honestly might have an uptrend too. Hold on. No, I think we've broken out of the biggest trend line on the day, so I'm a little iffy on this one now. Hold on, I have too many lines. So I'm just saying this because it to me looks like we put in, you know, 1 flag, 2 flags, 3 flags, kind of 4-ish. That's a lot of flags. And then if you follow the biggest trend line on the day, we're kind of back on the backside of it. And you can see it's respected. So we're on the backside of it. If you want, you could take a trade here at 650. But if you're on the back end, this will flush. It could be the back. I mean, it could still work, you know. 650, 650, 650. I like it. There's another uptrend from open. I'm not seeing it. Go ahead though, take it with a type stop loss right here. If I was in super green on the day, I might take a stab at it, you know. How much money am I using to trade on a daily basis? It really depends, guys. You know, I could buy 2,000 shares of a $6 stock and it'd be $12,000. Or I can go and buy 2,000 shares of W Key of a $2 stock and it'd be $4,000, you know. Or I could buy 1,000 shares here and be only $2,000 and buy 1,000 shares of AMV for $18,000, you know, with 1,000 shares. So it just depends. But, I mean, on average, I have no idea. 40, 50? So Rome C and Rob S. Okay, Rome C and Rob S. You both guys are moderators now. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Where do you think I should try to get in on SNTI? I mean, if you want to take another trade on SNTI, it's 650, but I don't think I myself are going to take this trade anymore. There was another stock that I was watching that I actually... Oh, it was PRVV. Okay, never mind. Man, I was up 900 bucks and I gave 200 back. Both of you guys replied, I like it, I like it. Let me see this week. Yeah, so I was right at $3,000 this week, but now I'm up 2,800 on this week. Not my biggest week this year though, still. Halfway through it. Mott's is creeping back up. Mott's is pretty flat top resistant on Mott's at 278. And if you break out on Mott's with volume, you could be looking to get up to $2.8, $2.9, $3 possibly on Mott's. Silver is another one that's still out of this downtrend, kind of holding it over here, so still going. Wildball, make sure your moderators have the link to your course to post here and there on YouTube. Oh, true, yeah. I didn't think about that. Thank you, Wild Boy. And my Discord links, too. Blair's going to be out. SNTI. Man, SNTI, that 650, Lang, still holding. Good job, man. And honestly, for this one, you know, right now, my next move on SNTI is this. Break of this downtrend here. So, I follow the uptrend. Once I break this uptrend, I wait for the downtrend break. Once I break the downtrend, I wait for the uptrend and stuff like that. So I'm going to delete this one here now. And now if I get over this uptrend, I can still consider the stock bullish on the day. Okay. AAJ, good job, man. Staying zero on the day. I would, brother, but my face is always on the charts as I listen. Oh, okay, I see. I hear ya. One can control 100 shares with less money and options. Swole Granny, what's up, Swole Granny? I hope you're doing awesome. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing pretty good, man. I've been doing pretty good the last couple of days. I think I've gone on like, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 days of like non-stop $600, $700 profits. You know, we could have taken that stab, Lang, but that was my fault, man. Mott's looks good. Yeah, everything looks so clean afterwards. I'm happy to hear that you're the bomb, man. Awesome, appreciate it, Swole Granny. How are you doing, man? You making some real money over there? You killing the market, Swole Granny? Or are you getting swole? You hitting the gym or you hitting the charts? What are you doing? Did I fail in the beginning? We all fell in the beginning. SNTI still won $7. SNTI might get a look at $7 here. Whew. Flushing. Oh, that was scary. That's why a lot of times I wait for my comp. Oh, 650, Lang. Look at that. Who would have known a 650 would have held a strong flush like that? Holy crap. Somebody has big pockets down at 650. I took shorts Peggy yesterday and today. Good job, man. Well, Peggy kind of uptrended yesterday. Did you were able to nail some shorts throughout it though on Peggy? That's the stock that I accidentally removed. Peggy uptrended all day. Yes, well not up. Oh, there was a big rejection after the first 30, 40 minutes of open. Then it downtrended all day. Yeah, and then reversed later power hour. So I see it. Oh, you shorted the $3 in power hour. Big rejection there. Mott's is breaking out of this 278. I think Mercer just added there. I hate flush. That's why I wait, man. That's why I wait. AMV, go, go, go. Ooh, frick. Are you in on this one, Robin He? SNTI flush, yeah. Brome C and Rob S, are you guys in my Discord? And if so, do you have the same name or not? Hold on, do you think PRBV will crack? Like, to the downside? Robin He is in on AMV at $18. Wow. Robin He, I don't know how you do it, man. Okay, so your name is Rome on Discord, okay. And then Rob S, are you in on my... I am, but need to figure out Discord. Yeah, Discord, when I first started trading with Discord, I mean, not trading, when I first started looking at Discord, I had no idea what it was. And honestly, to me, still, Discord is so confusing. They could make that platform way more easy, more friendly. Dang, look at W Key, completely tanking. Oh, John was also in on AMV. Johnson, don't ask, but I am on. You got in at 1977. Dang, good job, man. For the break of highs and for the for the halt. You're in a halt. Good job, man. Mats is the one that I think Mercer's still on or holding. Mats 278 level is pretty tough. Yeah, good job, John. Yeah, Soul Granny, appreciate you coming by, man. Appreciate you stopping by, saying what's up, and hopefully you're doing good, man. Take care. You know where to find me. If you got any questions, you know where to find me, man. I sold most of that pop. I almost re-added it down here, but I'm not going to. If I wanted to go, it would have gone by now. I think so too on mods. That 278 is pretty hard to beat. The next trade on mods, I mean, you have to sometimes visualize them, the break out of that one, and then the retest of 278, because you know that whole zone is pretty strong, so now buyers are going to try to defend it. So that would be the next trade on mods, unless you instantly squeeze and then flag closer to $3, right under $3. Surprisingly, SNTI, man, does not want to give up 650. SNTI, what is the high on SNTI on a daily? It's got one up here at $8 actually. SNTI has a high of $8, and here it goes again for 7, trying to get 7. Volume is dying on SNTI a little bit, so the less volume on the way up, a little bit iffy, but it just held a very nice flush. I thought that thing was going to be done for the rest of the day. Oh, this is my song. But that candle had a huge red volume. Yeah, I do see that. But that, I mean, when I see that, to Mimi, I know that shorts are in it, but if we put that pressure again on shorts, they might get scared the second time and just bail out, and then you can get a big squeeze sometimes. Especially when they know that they're not getting their move. Look at this. The shorts know they can't break 650. Buyers are holding 650 now for sure. So if shorts got in there, that some of them maybe would have taken some profits there, and some have stops here, break even, especially if they added at 7, stops at 710, 715. You know, if you get all these shorts to get out knowing they didn't get a flush or a fade all day how they usually want, you might get a very nice squeeze here through 7 back up to 8 high on the daily chart. Mott's. Okay, Mott's looking for $3. Pivot here. It's already holding that pivot, 285. Does Mott's go up to $3? You got lucky on that spike. It's in 680, out 698. Low volume on this pullback here, Mercer 2. I'm back. What did I miss the last hour? Give some profit back. I'm now sitting negative $500. Gotcha, Grape the Wire. Gotcha. I'm kidding, crypto. I'm up 700. Every time I lose one. Very nice pullback here on Mott's, Mersa. No need to sell under 685. Holding at 285 right here. That nice pivot there. You're up 300 on paper. Good job, crypto. Good job. Mersa in here. Oh, I thought you were serious because I was away for a while. No. I'm up $700, everybody. $712. Mersa currently in on Mott's. Mersa now trying to get a little bit of diamond hands here. Trying to get a little bit of diamond hands here for Mersa. Trying to get $3. Don't paper hand it, Mersa. Uh-oh. Mersa's getting a little anxious. I think I'm making I'm making Mersa a little bit more anxious too. Don't paper hand it, bro. Sober. Oh, never mind. Man, that is not a good close. Dang it. You needed this thing to pull away. Come on, mods. Come on. Open up. Open up. Come on, Mersa. Come on, Mersa. Cannot get through this 293. Oh, there we go. Oh, I saw 100 orders at 94, 95. Couldn't see. But 80 orders at 295 right now. 293 again. Come on, open. Mods, come on, mods. Open up for Mersa. $296, 2 orders there. 296, 297. It's getting 3. It hit 3, Mersa. It hit 3, Mersa. Do we get squeeze past 3? Man, I could have added down here with you. Mott's after that 278 break, going straight through to Big hint seller at 3. I didn't see it. It spikes down so fast I couldn't see it on the at 3. It only, I mean, it shows 22 there, but the more you watch it, the more you think it's a short squeeze today. Which one? Mods or just all of them? Darth Trader, right? Who made some money today? Let's run it up, Chad. Who made some money today? Break it 3, and then the more I watch, okay, 10:01. Oh, for AMV, 10-minute halt. Robin He, course not cost. What? Tamimi is green on YouTube. Good job, Tamimi. Robin S green, Robin He $70 green, J Hard green. But this is a 10-minute halt here. Mike Blanco's green. Come on, Tradecaster. Rome C is green. Tradecaster chat. My YouTube chat it's beating you guys now. Austin Glue is green. There you go. Ducativo's green on Tradecaster. Man, I should have a day where I'm gonna compete. Tradecaster versus YouTube chat. Versus TikTok chat. Where you guys at? Big fan looking for 317 on what was that? Mott's. Oh! You're live, John! AMV! Robin He, you're live! Instant pop of $3 a share. No, not yet. This thing is gonna either halt up. Dude, another halt. Please tell me you guys took some out there, John. John, I need to hear your reaction, man. Robin, he is out half. Dang, Robin. How many shares did you have in there? Dude, how did you guys see these? John got fully out 24.71, 10 cents off the high there. What a trade. How did you guys... I have no idea. Home run trade for Robin He. Good job, man. I don't care how many shares you had. If you had one share on that thing, that's incredible. That was awesome. Good morning, bro. Believe in yourself. Which stock is this? AMV. I have not traded this thing at all. Man, this thing just ripped. Snti is still holding right under $7. I do have to keep in mind, though, that Twitter shorts are piled in at 51.20. Look at Snti again. Look at Snti. Probably no trade for me here. I might not take another trade for the rest of the day, but watching Snti, if I was right to see if this thing squeezes through 7, taking out all those shorts. I called out right after open that AMV could get wild. Glad to see the fall. Rum, I have no idea how, man. And you did, and I saw it, and it was kind of I mean, kind of stagnant for a while, and I was like, you know, I mean, could, but didn't really pay attention to it. I did not see this coming, dude. Did not see that coming. Good trade, though. Mott's still kind of flagging up here. Not really, hasn't broken $3, but pulled down twice. Low volume. Almost retested 278. What? We're all dumb, guys. We're all dumb. See, these are the plays that just annoy me. Because I knew I wanted 278 retest. And we got 279 right there at that bottom of that candle. John, $209 on the day. Good job, man. Good trade there, too. How do you do that? How do you do that, Nikki? I don't think I know how to do that. Or can you not see it up here at the top right? This is where I usually tell people to look at the stock whenever I'm switching stocks, and then on TikTok, you guys can see it down towards the bottom, or closer where the chat is. You can see it there, but I don't know about the watermark. Mott's could still be looking at $3 though, but iffy volume there on those 3 green candles. Rosendo is red today. That's okay, Rosendo. It's okay, man. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Find what you did wrong today. Find your mistakes. Was it a dumb trade? Was it a stupid trade? Was it a good trade and failed? You know. Nikki, are you on 1080p? So you can actually click on the settings. You can click on the settings and on Tradecaster, and you guys can both do that. Click on the settings, and you can click 1080p on my streams. I don't know if you don't have that, cause some people didn't know that, or sometimes it doesn't default to that. And if that's not it, then I don't know what it is. If you have finally met baby. So I think I imported my last trade, but just to be safe, I'm gonna do it again, just so I know I'm not missing. Oh my God, Nikki, was that the problem? Were you not on 1080p? That's okay. I'm sure a lot of other people didn't know that either. So I guess I could probably bring that up every once in a while. So journal today, 30,000 shares traded, $712. Gave a lot off the top, $200 off the top, and gave $200 here. Those are two big-ish trades, you know, $200 losses on both twice today. Oh my God, I'm dying. You're crystal clear. Now you can see all my pimples and stuff, and you can see when I shave and when I don't shave. Nikki. Let's see what's gonna happen on AMV. AMV. It's probably gonna be in a 10-minute halt, maybe longer. I don't know. 20. What time to halt? 10. Yeah, it's already over 5 minutes. Darth Trader, what'd you do, man? What did you trade today, Darth Trader? ATXG, more profits. How did I miss this too? Look at ATXG, guys. How did we miss this flag here? Bro, people make fun of day traders for having monitors, but I guarantee you if I had an extra 5 monitors, I would not be missing SNTI flag, one of them, and ATXG. Look at this clean flag here on freaking ATXG. Look at this. I mean, did anybody else take this flag, or anybody took this flag at all? Look at this. Greedy kicking in, yeah. Some Tesla. Did you make some money on Tesla, Darth Trader? Wild Boy, what's AMB up for? I have no idea. I have no idea what this stock is up for, but it's got a minute and a half left for the 10-minute. Oh, I guess I don't know what second it halted at because my time and sales is blank. Nothing crazy. 275 profit. That's great, man. $275 a day. That's pretty good. You keep that up consistently, and small losers, and you're looking at a pretty good income. SNTI is still holding 650. I do want to see if AMV resumes here in about a minute. I think John is fully out, but Robin on YouTube still has half share size on here. Kid refuses to die. LL still holding my support at 637. Kit, I have 638. Yeah, yeah. Yesterday 638 was pretty strong, and I do see that. Although that one spiked up pretty fast. Peggy also refuses to die. Peggy back up trying to get over VWAP. So this one should be live here, and SNTI might go when everyone is done watching AMV. And then Fods just called that Peggy too. Educativo said he's in Kit. Imperial of Stern, slow day. Today was a good day. Today was a lot of action. AMV should be resuming here. I don't know what second it halted at, but it's been 10 minutes by the minutes. I don't know what the second were. Zach trying some Mott flag for 3. You know, I don't mind that. 285 pivot there. AMV, come on, give. Bro, AMV has a target of $243 a share on the daily chart. Give Robin a $200 resumption. Well, it's about to be over a 10-minute halt. I don't know why, but I said at the beginning 11:12. So 10:12. I think you might be an hour ahead of me. I do like Mott's flag. Let me look at Mott's flag. And then ATXG, it's still breaking highs on ATXG. ATXG also a pretty big sell-off on the daily chart. I don't know why these stocks are looking like this. Mott's still looking for 3. SNTI still up here, closer to $7 break, but volume has died a lot on that one. And then AMV, we're looking at a resumption here pretty soon, I think. KIT. Oh, we spoke too soon. Dart Trader, we spoke too soon. Take a look at TQQQ. It's flagging. I mean, it's flagging on the bigger time frame. Oh my gosh, Robin. We're live. Another push. Robin is all out. Dude, I don't think in my whole 3 years of trading, I have never nailed a trade like this, ever. I don't know how you guys keep nailing trades like this. John nailed one yesterday, close to this. Nailed another one today. Robin is all out. I have never nailed a trade like this, and you guys are doing it awesome. Wait, Zach, which one did you get a bad fill on? Mots, what are you in? Are you still in there looking for 3 though? I have no idea what the story is, Crypto. I don't know why AMV is up. When I see that at that point, I don't think it's as much as a news as much as like just shorts covering whatever. I mean, look at the daily chart on this thing. When it went from, oh actually, what is this? Yeah, I don't understand why daily charts are like this sometimes. I mean, this thing shows it was like $200, 250, but it shows only 1 candle per month, so I don't understand that. But I'm upset about ATXG. We missed that one. You almost got a heart attack, Robin. Yeah, congrats, Robin. What's up, Junior? That's a crazy trade, man. Never in my life have I hate a trade like that. Never in my life have I probably made more than $5, $10 a share. You know, it's crazy. What did you make there? I think you were in 18 something. 18 to 28. That's $10 a share. What the heck? Good job, man. Good job. Way to also hold some out. John, I would have been out fully here. You know, I get scared. You guys still. John sold in this halt and Robin sold in this halt. It's crazy. Reminds you of QNRX. Or QRTB or QRTB or something like that. Big fan. You've been calling Mots all day, and I look at my P&L on Mots. 0. Have not traded Mots at all. Believe in Yourself is on AMV on TikTok, and you're still holding? SNTI is still looking for $7. SNTI 681 is now where shorts are in. Guys, if you want to find a swing trade on TQQQ or the overall market, I think everything right now is making a little bit of a rising wedge now. So if you see here TQQ, I mean we had some pretty aggressive sell-offs, right? But we're still thinking bearish on everything. And right now, if you look at TQQQ right here, I have a 1 hour time frame, and look how clean these trend lines are working. So one tip, two there, three there. You could have nailed that dip there. I mean that entry there for short, or you could have nailed this entry here for a long. And so that's why I said it's making a big pennant. So I expect this thing to go between these range here, and then once it breaks out of this pattern here, I would not be surprised if the whole market makes another tank again, you know. Out of nowhere, Zach just comes back in here and says he's still holding SNTI from $5. What? From this entry here. Check ATXG. ATXG heading up to $4 now. ATXG is the trade we missed. Man, I would take a trade here through 4, but a little risky here. Candle's gonna close here. Oh, I missed the add up there, and then I added higher again. I should have added there now. I'm done for the day. I cannot give so much profit back. I added way too high on that thing. I gotta walk away. I added way too high, anticipating just to break a 4. That was a stupid trade. Stupid, stupid trade. This is where I should have added there. And watch, this thing is gonna rip through 4 now. You gotta be kidding me, man. Up $560, dang. Almost, well, not half, because I was never up 1,000. I was up 900, so I gave back $350 off the top, which is decently. This thing is going to rip through 4. Auto send checked off. I'm done. Peggy testing VWAP. That's frustrating. Moss could still break 3. Yeah, I see a big fan. Kilatio close. What does close mean? No, which one was I looking at? ATXG. You see, guys, but you guys, watching me trade live, everybody on TikTok, on YouTube, and on TradeCaster. You know, I don't have certain rules of if I get 50% profit back, I'm done. You know, I don't have any rules like that. I don't have rules of if I lose 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, $2,000 in one trade, I'm done. You know, I don't have rules like that. But when I hit a red trade behind red trade behind red trade, and I'm just at that point, I feel like I'm giving enough profit back. I feel like I'm just pushing myself too much and giving too much back. You know what? I'll call it a day. Pure beginner luck. I'll call it a day. I still see trades possible. I still see setups forming. But just for today, crazy SNTI. Robin is done for the day. Too excited for another trade. SNTI could break $7, you know. But I think I have to call it. So how much did I make? $560. Off a high of 900 though. I was up $900 earlier. SNTI going for $7. This is gonna squeeze through 7. It's gonna break 7. For sure it's gonna break 7. Shoot, I wanna trade this. That was a pullback. No trades. Look on the bright side though, you're still up, man, making better than most people do in a week. Yeah, I mean that's what I'm saying. You know, at some point, as if you're a beginner, these are the days that you are that you want to make it back. You want to get back to 900. You want to get back to 1,000. You know, you want to make your profit back. But these are the days that beginners end up getting burned on because then they go back to break even on the day. So they go from 900 to 500. You know, it could be $90 back down to $50, and then now you want to get back to $90 and you go back to break even, and then once you're break even you want to go back to green, and then you're red, so now you're red and you want to get back to break even, and then you go further red. You know, it's just revenge trading left and right and left and right and left and right. And this is something as an experienced trader and just anybody out there that you have to recognize on your own and say enough is enough. You know, enough is enough. And I mean, I traded good. I think I traded pretty good. I had a lot of trades. Gave a lot of profit back today. And not even off the top afterwards. I gave my full profit back on SNTI. And then I gave it all back again. Or 200 back again. And then ATXG, stupid trade here. You know, just chasing a small scalp. I only took 1,000 shares, so I didn't think I was in big size. I thought maybe, okay, I'll lose 50 bucks here to just try to make 50 bucks back. 100 bucks back, and it burned me for 150. So stupid trade there. That's when I know I'm forcing trades, when I take a stupid trade. You know, SNTI, it was high of day breakout with a $0.5 for a high of day on the stock. That's a little bit better than ATXG, just a random $4 pivot when you got nothing on the left but resistances from the daily chart, you know. But I'm gonna call it here, guys. It's also 2 hours into streaming. A little upset, but you know, I can't complain. On the week I am up. Shoot, I gave some profit back for sure. Where is it? Oh, here. I went from a high of 3K on the week down to 2660. So yeah, 350. AMV getting beat down. Man, you guys sold. Robin, you sold the peak on AMV. SNTI, wow. Well, good thing I wasn't trading it. You didn't take that, Zach? You weren't in it? Yo, who's behind you? Oh, shit. Just kidding. Mersa got caught in that flush, but super small. Good job, Mersa. You're still green on the day. All right, guys. I'm going to be done trading. If you guys looking at the big stocks, let me just point out what I was seeing. Let me see if it's showing up on SPY too. So if you guys are trading SPY, we know we've had a pretty big rejection, pretty big pullbacks on SPY, right? All of this. We broke out of this falling wedge and now created this, which now I'm looking at kind of a rising wedge here. Kind of like this. You guys kind of see that? I'm going to take some of these lines away. I'm going to leave that one there. So, broke out of the falling wedge. Falling wedge usually go up Jay Padilla, smash the like for Juan. Yeah, guys, I'm almost done, but you guys hit the like button. Leave some comments. Let me know, guys, what you guys think. You guys go watch my YouTube recap videos. If you guys watch my YouTube recap videos, please leave some comments down below. Please like them when I post them so it can get promoted to more people and more people can come and learn and trade with us live. So, falling wedge breaks out of it, and now we're forming a kind of a rising wedge here on SPY. And honestly, I don't see why things should keep going high, and SPY to me looks still a little bit heavy. So I would expect to see maybe if we get a nice little bit of a flush through this rising wedge back down to the bottom side. And who knows, this thing could go look back down to lower lows of 350s, even lower. I mean, if you for everybody that was saying, I think when we were on the stream with Sean a while ago, I kept saying this thing needs a healthy pullback, and everybody's like, "What are you talking about a healthy pullback? You know, what do you?" I mean, look at the bigger time frames on this thing. This is a monthly chart on SPY. You know, hold on. Look how still. Look at this giant move we've put in for the last years. This isn't even half of that move. This isn't even a third of that move. You know, yeah, you're not going to go back to $60 on SPY. Probably not ever, right? But I would not be surprised if we retest COVID highs, you know, 320s, 330s. Um, Maybe finally trend under EMAs for the first time in 20 years. You know, before was normal. Trend up above it, trend below it, trend up above it, trend down below it, trend up above it. And since 2011, we've gone up, 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 up. Even COVID drop didn't even go below it. And now we're right there again. So let's see if we get under that and pull back down a little bit. And then we can start going sideways, consolidate, and then hopefully we get another big run or something like that. So, I mean, I'm still bearish on everything. Doesn't mean you don't get to add, right? I think I added. So let me show you guys this. I didn't nail the bottoms, but I'm adding long term. I added 370s the first time there, and then this second time I added 360s. Now I wish I would have sold this here. I didn't sell any of it. That was my mistake. It's kind of my long-term account, so I was like, I'm gonna put it here and just let it sit there forever. But knowing me, thinking bearish, I knew this was a nice dip. Should have sold here and then re-added there again, or even waited lower. But I mean, for short-term trades, I'm looking at this rising wedge to crack, and it looks prettier on TQQQ. Look, I mean, it's hitting trend lines to the penny there, there, and there to the penny, and then there, there, and there. Zach grabbed some Peggy. Okay. SLBR is still kind of holding, so SLBR might not be a bad one to keep an eye on. That's going to be it for me, guys. Discipline, Robin. Yeah, it's definitely have to be disciplined to be a successful trader. Definitely am upset. I gave a lot of profit back. I definitely am upset, but you know, I gotta come back tomorrow. I can't do it today. You spotted the $4 resistance on SXG in the 45-minute chart. That could have been another problem on ATXG. I mean, I'm on the daily and I don't see anything on the daily, you know. But I knew $4 would be resistance, and even now it's still flagging right under 4, so it could still break 4. If you guys are still trading, I suggest you keep an eye on Sober. Sober's kind of been a slow grinder in the back, but doesn't look bad. MOTS never broke 3 unless you reclaim 278. MOTS will be in play. ATXG, you're still flagging under 4. That might be a good trade. Beat, no. Peggy, if Peggy gets over $4, this one is looking pretty good. You still have room to the 200 moving average up at 488. What else? Snti to me is a little iffy now. So those are the only ones that I'd be looking at. How much EMAs do I use? 2. The 9 and the 20. This is Think or Swim platform. Yeah, who's behind you? That was funny. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for me today. Oh, here it goes. ATXG. Literally, like before you go, Juan, let me break four for you and upset you more on your way out. Let me break four and squeeze through four to upset you a little bit more before you get out of here. Let me break through four here real quick. $22 orders there at 97. Couldn't break. Yeah, couldn't break those. Never mind. Makes me feel a little better. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out. You guys have a good one. Alright, homie, have a good day. Appreciate GDA Trader for saying that. Appreciate you guys saying bye. I like it when I get in here and I know you guys are here saying good morning and saying bye. So I know you guys are still here waiting till the end. Appreciate that. So later, everybody. Later, Rome. Mersa, have a good day, man. If I am still trading, guys, which I probably won't today just because of the circumstances given so much profit, I got to keep my $560 locked in. So, but if I see something popping up, I'll definitely post it on the Discord, and you guys can come back in there. Let me post my Discord for everybody here on YouTube. Um, Let me do this real quick. So here is my Discord link for everybody on YouTube. If you're not in it, completely free. I don't charge for anything. And if you guys are interested in my course, whether you're watching on TikTok, Tradecaster, or YouTube, you can type in 150 off at the discount page for $150 off. If you have any questions about it, just DM me. You can do it on Instagram, which is probably going to be the most secure way because you know it's me. Discord, there might be a lot of fake accounts, which I literally delete like 3 or 4 a week, and they keep coming back. So just don't fall for scams on Discord. If I ask you for money or to go to a different website or to trade your money or something like that, then that's not me. Obviously, you'll know if it's me or not. That's gonna be it, guys. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Friday, for the last day of the week. Pretty nice week still. Giving 300 back off the top, but still sitting at 20, almost 2,700 on this week. If I keep that up, that's good. That's good. Dart Trader, thanks for coming in here today, man. Dart Trader, appreciate you stopping by. And guys, don't underestimate the Discord, guys. Do not underestimate the Discord. We have nailed some pretty nice trades in the Discord recently. So whether it's pre-market or after I'm done streaming, just check it out. You can lurk around, you can like comments. You don't have to be active and post, but hang in there. And then again, if you want to post profits on the profit tab, do that. Trade breakdowns, anything like that. All that. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. Go watch my recap. Go hit thumbs up on it. Go leave a comment. You guys take care, man. All of you guys make good decisions. All right, I'm out of here, people.